How to change payment method on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your payment information on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your payment method on Netflix, all you have to do is first of all log into netflix.com from your browser. So I repeat, from your browser and not from your application. Once you log in from your browser, what you need to do is just click on the account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you'll find the option called account, which you see right over here, right from the top right hand side. Just click on the account button now. Once you go to account button, if you scroll down over here, you can see manage payment info. So right over here, to change it, just click on the manage payment info button, and then you can see my current one. So you can edit it and remove this one, which is the current card over here. And if I want to add another one, I can just tap on the add payment method option. Once I click on add payment method, I can choose to add my credit or debit card or either my PayPal account. So I'm assuming most of you over here are definitely going to add your credit or debit card. So you can enter the first name, last name, card number, expiration date and security code. Tap on I agree and then click on save. If you want though, just in case, you can also simply add your PayPal by tapping the PayPal option over here and just simply entering your PayPal code as well. And that is it for this video on how you can change the payment information on Netflix. As I said, you have to log in from the browser and not from the application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.